Menteri rangba ka sarkar Jylla ukonat ke sangma menta ka sngi ka khanyo tarik unailar haringa ka jingdon lang kiwei ke MLA bat MTC ke MPP kila leit ban bo ya Mawnongrim Naka bynta ban Shna ya ka Surok na Umsning sya Sonidan kabadan ya ka jingjingai kumba 10 kilometer kibala sakhilang ha ka te ka sngi bo Mawnongrim ki kenthop ya uda sakhet bahala mare MLA ka mawhati bat ubadairu Menteri ka sarkar Jylla bat kiwei ya ka te ka Surok kaba on sa Shna no sian lapan mang prapulai penilai pupra kelur ya kaba lapan tray lembaga ski Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project bat kaba labai tingga da ka World Bank of India.
It's very important and a very historic day. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty. It is because of His blessings that we are here today. And it is His blessing that we have been able to bring this development and this very important road connectivity for the people of Mahoti and Umsning constituency. I was made aware about the fact that this road has been neglected for many years, and I knew this for a very long time. But what I did not know was that the last time this was repaired was during late P.S. Sangma's time. So being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader. And we are able to take things forward now to a logical conclusion.
Surok mau hati Naka batip top Shna la ready Wailang Surok mau hati Naka batip top Shna la ready Oh kawai naki Surok Hakani ka Jylla Kabala he yoga for social media Sarkar ka syakin ko Lai tau cacakan cadan Tam you know mikmat Umada sakyan Oh Hapren gajing syaben Hapren gajing syanyon Dasar kianlah persyang Banwan rakyat kafan Hakani kakinti Layo pernah ke World Surok talaga siang Banyai gelas ngobang.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.